Okay. Yeah, this way. Okay. Hii ni Vika Fitness once again. Tumekuletea zoezi la kuweza kunyosha mwili na kuweka misuli vizuri kabisa bila kuweza kupata maumivu kabisa. Hii ni Vika Fitness once again. Niite Master Chabo Ninja. Come on. Let's go. Relax. Yes. Relax, 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 relax. One. Yes. Relax, relax. Ana, two, se, ne, teso. Yes. Relax, relax. Yes. Ana, two, se, ne, teso. Relax, relax. Yes. Come on. Number two. Yeah. Come summit. Yes. Relax, relax. Ana